did remake.
Yeah.
They did a remake of Point Break.
Yeah, they ruined it, but yeah.
We're at that age, guys, where they're remaking all our movies like they did back in, when we were younger. So, seen a couple of gentlemen, like
The new Matrix is just opened up, I think.
Yeah, there's the movies that would like to go see the Kingsman and Kingsman 2.
Yeah, they're going to take the blue pill, and then they're going to take the red pill.
Can you imagine that? Can you imagine just them, they didn't even say it, right? Here's the new mayor. He's up. You'd have the music again every time he went to say what the new mayor was.
The sheriff is a...
Yeah.
We'd like to welcome our new sheriff.
Yeah, that was cool. We knew what he was saying. But you know what, though, if you watch the movie then, and it didn't get butchered right with that, you would see that the town's just filled with fucking ignorant idiots. And he's the smartest motherfucker, and he makes them all look stupid the entire time. And it's hilarious,
Right.
I don't know. That was Gene Hackman, right? No, Gene Wilder. Gene Wilder. But Honda, they took a large white gentleman, and he got the ball on both sides of the spectrum. Somebody being criticized and somebody being loved. Put him in there with those two guys. So for me, Mondo, I like his character. Like, once he fell in love with Mondo eat beans.
Sheriff was meant to whip Mondo.
With his brain, not with his speed, that was his strength. But you know what, man? I think every race got it in there. There's the Chinese workers that they imported that, you never hear anything about them being brought over as slaves, but they were too. They built the fucking railroads.
You think everybody but the Irish.
And they were too busy on the East Coast.
What you're doing is it's the family guy principle, right? Where everyone's against the wall. I'm against the wall, you're against the wall, we're all against the wall, and then no one's getting picked out, so it isn't any kind of ist. We're all a bunch of ists, and so then that works, right? There's no one person being fucking, we take the piss out of Chinese, but not out of white people, So, yeah.
But that was the beauty of that movie. They fucked with everybody.
Yeah.
No one race got picked on more than the other.
Which movie was that again? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Well, any of those Mel Brooks movies do, go watch History of the World, too. Right. Part 1, that's like the, it's, what's his face? He's the guy, like, catches them doing something, the guy's like, the jig isn't up, and he's like, he looks at him, and he's black, and he's like, man, gone! Like, takes off fucking running, and I'm sure that would be, like, fucking, just, again, it's all about perspective, and apparently it's easy to persuade people's perspective these days. Look at this just the one little short snippet, Monkey and the Bandit, right?
Oh, that's classic.
Maybe that's the climate change they were talking about.
When the sheriff runs the car off the bridge, right, hits him in the back, hits him and knocks him off. He's like, "Where's Sheriff? Where's Sheriff Newcraft?" He said, "I am Sheriff Newcraft, boy." So he walks away, he turns away, and walks away. The old come out and say it. That kind of like Jackie Gleason went out on a real edge right there. taking and doing that. And I saw it. I didn't see the kid. Oh, no. Man, wow, you were really putting down how bad they couldn't work certain foods in the South. And you just gave a punch in the mouth.
That's a classic, dude. That's the question. You know, the one I'm surprised that nobody's complaining about lately is fat.
What were you going to say?
I never got into
Well, that's what I said. Everything's covered. It already got fucking cancelled for 6 years or whatever, so everything's covered. There's nothing. Yeah, you were insulted because you never really fucking. Your honour ain't really worth anything. You didn't amount to anything, so you're all fucking upset about it. It's like, we don't need to be so upset about everything all the time, you know? It's like, okay, that's one person's opinion, and we just move on from that.
I see it as, you like being a parent. Being a parent, you're always telling the kid, you know, you can't correct. Wait a second, I can't even tell you anything wrong. Get out of here. You know, just like society has come to the point where nobody can say, hey man, I'm doing a little wrong. I don't agree with that. You can't do this. You said I disagree with you. I'm trying to fight you.
As long as she's respectful, no problem. I apologise to my daughter all the time. When I get it wrong, fuck yeah, of course. Because otherwise, I'm such a shit parent. She'll remember. You didn't ever fucking back down. That's rubbish. That's a rubbish lesson. So, yeah.
Oh yeah, later said, no, you were a hypocrite.
Well, she won't because there's respect. Oh, yeah, she will. Yeah. I mean, yeah. If I play it this way, she won't back down. There's a level of respect, and then there's, oh yeah, when it's wrong, he tells me it's wrong. Anyway, he'll fucking back me, he'll bite me in the back if I don't do it, you know.
Yeah. It's a good thing to follow anybody.
Yeah, my wife won't understand what we're talking about. Fuck off, you an idiot. I don't mind.
I see English passing a new law. That's bad for drugs. People use drugs. They're going to put cannabis in that category?
Okay, that surprises me. But it seems like they all want us to sit in our own countries right now anyway, for whatever fucking reason. Okay, I'll have a look at that. I don't know about it.
The bill they want to get through. What are you guys doing? They say, well, it's to stop the drug deal. But they got it written in such a way, any drug can get in trouble. Anything that's not legal can get in trouble. They can use it for a reason. That's the way I do it. I like the way they do it. I have a friend.
Yeah.
Here's kind of a fucked up thing on that. If I do a lot of fishing,